Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can reset purchase key or a license code in Garage Master. Garage Master is garage management software. It can be used by auto repair workshop as well. So let's just check it out. You need to go to Garage installation that you have done on your website. Log in with the email and password that you have created and go to settings at the top right once you land on dashboard and then navigate to the license tab, click on license. There you will see the register license on which email and domain it's been currently configured. Now you need to enter purchase key and the email that is configured originally, and then click on send OTP. So this will send an 6-digit OTP, one-time password on your email. So we have the email. You need to copy this 6-digit code and paste it in the text field and verify the OTP. So this will establish the ownership of the purchase key, the email. So now we have reset the license successfully. So now it's a blank domain, right? So you need to log out now and log in again so you can enter a new domain for the same purchase key. So we're gonna enter the email and password again. Then on the domain name, enter a new domain where you want to now activate this purchase key. Enter the purchase key and the email and just submit it. So now you have the license transfer from your old domain to new domain, right? Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.